Hi guys, today we have come to a place called Dudhsagar. To come to Dudhsagar, we have to come to a village called Kolem. Once you reach to the place called Kolem, you have to take a left turn. Here we can see people standing in a queue to buy the tickets. The best place to visit Dudhsagar is from October to the month of March. You can see a lot of visitors over here. And this is the ticket counter. The fare is 700 per person, plus you have to pay to the forest department 100 rupees, again 40 rupees to take a life jacket. Life jacket is compulsory, so per person it becomes 840 rupees. Now we have started in this Bolero. The ride is of 11 kilometers.
Goa government ಅವರು ಎಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್
We have
ಮಾಡೋದು
to pass through water
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್
streams,
ಮಾಡಿದಾರೆ ಅವರು.
and daily nearly 200 jeeps are allowed to fly over here. Not more
ಇಲ್ಲ
than that,
ಇದಕ್ಕೆ
because
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು
it will cause a
ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ
jam.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದರಿ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಇದೆ.
Already you can see
slow cross ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಈಗ.
the jam has happened. This waterfalls is maintained by the Goa government.
ಏ ಅಪ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಅದಾರ.
Now you can see the jam getting cleared. The ride is of almost 45 minutes. Now after a jam we can see the vehicles moving. We have to pass through the water streams, and the water force is too much. I request the people who have a severe back pain not to take this journey, because it is a very bumpy ride. It is a very thick green forest. The one way to come to Dudhsagar is via road through this government maintained jeeps. The other way is to come by train, but when you come by train you have to come down trekking. You can see the jeep passing through this water stream, and the water force is too much. You need to have a good pair of slippers or shoes. While going here we have to pass through a forest checkpost where we need to pay an entry fee of rupees 100. And if there is a jam near the checkpost, you can visit a beautiful park maintained by the Goa government. Kids can have some fun time over there if there is a jam. As we can see, already there is a jam. The driver has asked us to take a break. We can go down and visit the park. While going, you can see the beautiful water stream flowing by the side. Once again, let me tell the fares. It's 700 rupees per person plus 100 rupees for the forest department entry fee and 40 rupees for the life jacket. You need to take care of the life jacket, otherwise you have to pay a huge fine. Now we have got down. You can see the huge jam over here. We are going to the park. There are nearly 420 jeeps maintained by the government, in which 200 are allowed to fly daily. Means each jeep gets to fly alternate day. RT-PCR report is compulsory at the Goa border. There is a strict checking of the RT-PCR report, which should not be less than of 72 hours. This is the check post where that amount has to be paid. That amount has to be collected and given to the driver. A driver goes and pays the amount. He stands in the queue. Till then you can visit the park, which is on the left hand side. One good thing which the Goa government has done is that life jacket is compulsory because there is no risk. These jeeps are operational from morning 8:30 to evening 4 o'clock. Since there are a lot of guests visiting, you need to come early so that you get the jeep slot. So now we are passing through this forest check post. They will check for any cameras, any water, plastic water bottles. You have to give count of that so that none of the plastics are thrown near the Dudhsagar. We are passing through again a water stream. This jeep ride is also a very enjoyable ride. Lot of greenery around, lot of water streams flowing by your side, and very clean water. Before COVID, 7 people were allowed per jeep. Now after COVID, some restrictions are done. Only 5 people are allowed per jeep. So once you reach over there, from there you are given 1.5 hours to go to the waterfalls and come back. But if you want to stay longer, you need to speak to the driver and give him some additional charges. It purely depends upon the driver. We stayed for extra time per hour per jeep. For the entire jeep he charged us 300 rupees. Driver was a very friendly person. It's a very bumpy ride. Some beautiful nature. You can see a lot of people trekking over here. There is no water available at the Dudhsagar, or any tables are available, so you need to carry your sufficient eatables and water. Please do not throw any plastics near the waterfalls. Keep it clean. Ride is of nearly 45 minutes. Here we need to get down. From here we need to walk. Once you get down, you are given a time of 1.5 hours. You need to come back to the same jeep. Every jeep has a unique number. You need to note down that number. And once you come back, you need to go to the same jeep, which will take you back. Again, once again, as I said, if you want to spend extra time, you need to speak to driver. He will charge you per hour 300 rupees for the entire jeep. This is the entrance of the Dudhsagar waterfall. You need to have a good pair of shoes or slippers because it's very slippery. Once you get down, you need to pass through 2 water streams. It's a 15 minutes walk from here to the waterfalls. You can see people of all ages visiting the waterfalls. We need to cross through this water stream now.
ಆಗುತ್ತಾ?
If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share this video. You can see the people crossing through the water streams. This waterfalls is a very beautiful place. At least once in a lifetime you should visit this waterfalls. This is the second stream where we need to cross. And now we are at this beautiful and magnificent Dudhsagar waterfalls. You can see the train track which goes in between. Here you can see people swimming. Such a beautiful view to look at this Dudhsagar, a mighty Dudhsagar. You can see all the people playing over here. Kindly share, subscribe this video so that we are motivated to do many more videos. This is where you can play.